11 robots that can steal your job or make it easier. Hello, gadget lovers. Good to have you back. And if you're new here, you've visited the right channel just for you. Microsoft recently let go of 10,000 of its employees, and according to reports, this was because robots and AI could complete tasks that humans could do as well as those they couldn't. Would you like to know about some of these robots? Well, we've got you covered. Today's video will discuss 11 robots that can steal your job or make it easier, so make sure to watch to the end. Number 1. Pickle Robot Company's Cucumber. The Pickle Robot Company developed a cucumber picking robot that can work in the greenhouses. The robot has cameras and sensors to detect ripe cucumbers and determine the best way to pick them. Then, using a soft gripper to grasp the cucumbers and remove them from the vine gently. The robot can pick up to 150 cucumbers per hour and 1.5 acres per day, which is faster and more efficient than human pickers. Pickle Robot believes that it will help address labor shortages in the agricultural industry and improve quality of picked cucumbers by reducing damage and bruising. Number 2. Soft Robotics Automated Picking and Packing Robots. The automated picking and packing robots from Soft Robotics are made to handle a variety of products, from complex to atypically shaped items like automotive parts to soft and delicate items like fresh produce and baked goods. They employ flexible, soft grippers made of a unique material that conforms to the shape of the object being handled and provides a gentle yet secure hold. The robots are also outfitted with advanced machine learning and vision algorithms, allowing them to identify and choose products precisely and accurately. Soft Robotics can thus seamlessly integrate into current production lines, lowering the demand for manual labor and raising productivity. As a result, several industries, including food and beverage, consumer goods, and logistics, use the company's technology. Number 3. Yantriks Autonomous Mobile Robots for Warehouse Logistics. These robots are designed to navigate complex indoor environments, such as factories and warehouses, using a combination of sensors, cameras, and mapping technology. The robots can carry payloads of up to 1,500 pounds and travel at speeds up to 4 miles per hour. They're also highly adaptable and can be customized for various tasks, including material handling, palletizing, and inventory management. In addition, Yantriks robots are designed to work collaboratively with humans, helping to improve safety and efficiency in industrial environments. These robots are equipped with various grippers and tools that can be customized to handle different types of products. As a result, Yantriks autonomous mobile robots offer a flexible and efficient solution for warehouse logistics, improving productivity and reducing labor costs. Number 4. Blue River Technologies See and Spray Agricultural Robot. The See and Spray robot from Blue River Technology precisely applies herbicide to individual plants using computer vision and machine learning. The robot uses cameras to identify weeds and sprays only the affected plants, using less herbicide and having minor negative environmental impact. The robot can place and target weeds at a speed of 12 miles per hour and a daily coverage of up to 65 acres. Fertilizers, insecticides, and other agricultural chemicals can be applied using See and Spray. The equipment is regarded as a significant advance in precision farming and has the potential to lower costs, boost yields, and enhance sustainability for farmers. Number 5. Zipline's Medical Drone Delivery System. Zipline is a company that has developed a medical drone delivery system to provide fast and reliable transportation of critical medical supplies. These drones are designed to fly long distances, up to 160 kilometers round trip, and can carry payloads of up to 2.5 kilograms. Zipline technology benefits hard-to-reach areas or during emergencies where traditional transportation methods are unavailable or cannot deliver supplies quickly enough. They are equipped with GPS and are guided by experienced operators from a central command center. Zipline's medical drone delivery system is currently being used in several countries, including Ghana, Rwanda, and the United States, to deliver blood, vaccines, and other critical medical supplies. Overall, Zipline's innovative technology offers a life-saving solution for medical supply delivery, particularly in remote and underserved areas. Number 6. Boston Dynamics Handle Robot. Boston Dynamics Handle Robot is a wheeled robot 6.5 feet tall and has a top speed of 9 miles per hour. This robot can jump up to 4 feet in the air and has a payload capacity of 100 pounds. With a range of up to 15 miles on a single battery charge, Handle can operate indoors and outdoors. The robot is ideal for warehouse and logistics applications due to its distinctive mobility, agility, and strength. Number 7. Toyota's THR3 Humanoid Robot. The THR3 Humanoid Robot from Toyota mimics human gestures and interactions. The robot is about 165 pounds and stands 5 feet tall. The THR3 is operated remotely by a person who wears a special suit that transmits their movements to the robot in real time. The robot also has sophisticated sensors and motors, allowing it to move quickly and react to its surroundings. The THR3 is made for various uses, including healthcare, because it can help the elderly or disabled. In addition, both entertainment industries and disaster response companies could make use of it. Number 8. Locus Robotics Autonomous Mobile Robots. Locus Robotics is a company that specializes in creating autonomous robots for uses in warehouses and fulfillment centers. Their robots can navigate through complex warehouse environments, avoiding obstacles and other robots using advanced sensors and algorithms. This robot can pick up and transport items from shelves to designated locations, significantly increasing the speed and efficiency of order delivery. In addition, Locus Robotics robots can work collaboratively with human workers, allowing them to focus on more complex tasks, while the robots handle repetitive, time-consuming ones. The robots are also highly flexible and can adapt to changing warehouse layouts and processes, making them a valuable investment for companies looking to optimize their operations. Each robot can carry up to 100 pounds of inventory and travel up to 2 meters per second. Number 9. Carbon Robotics Weeding Robot. For use in agricultural, Carbon Robotics created an autonomous weeding robot. With the help of cutting-edge computer vision and machine learning algorithms, the robot can identify and target specific weeds without endangering crops. The robot can kill up to 120 weeds per minute with its high-precision, carbon-powered laser. Herbicides and manual labor could both be significantly reduced in agricultural thanks to this robot. The weeding robot from Carbon Robotics is currently in the commercialization stage after being tested on California farms. Number 10. The Ocean Cleanup's Interceptor. The Interceptor from Ocean Cleanup is an autonomous system that collects plastic waste from rivers and keeps it out of the ocean. The solar-powered Interceptor can remove up to 110,000 pounds of plastic daily and work around the clock 7 days a week. The Interceptor directs riverside plastic waste into a collective barge using a combination of barriers and conveyors. The device is highly effective, solar-powered, and capable of removing plastic from waterways without harming the ecosystem. Regarding the fight against plastic pollution in our oceans, the Interceptor offers a workable solution that can be scaled up to make it. Number 11. Skydio's Autonomous Drone. The drones from Skydio can navigate complex environments and avoid obstacles in real time thanks to a combination of AI, computer vision, and obstacle detection sensors. Their top-notch cameras can record breathtaking aerial footage in 4K resolution. They can fly pre-programmed routes to capture particular shots or locations. They can also automatically follow moving objects to keep them in frame. Skydio's drones are perfect for various tasks including search and rescue missions, building and infrastructure inspections, and filming outdoor sporting events and activities. Skydio's drones are also designed with safety in mind, with a fail-safe system that will automatically land the drone if it detects any issues or malfunction. In addition, the Skydio drone is designed to be user-friendly with an intuitive mobile app. Yes, and it's a wrap, guys. Those are the 11 robots that can steal your job or make it easier. Which of these gadgets is your favorite? Let us know in the comments section. Also, remember to like and subscribe so you can always enjoy content like this. Thanks for watching.